Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 4, Class of N3 IC 1201D1. We want to present about annuity and trade and cash discounts. Before we start, let me introduce my group's member. We have 4 people, which is Kuratul Ismana Jo binti Rosli, Tasnim Alhana binti Mat Saleh, Nurul Faizah binti Muhammad Asrar, and Nur Hanisa binti Azam. Let's get started with question 1. Mr. Z has a business plan. He needs a financing consultant to assist him in finding suitable capital to expand his business. Accordingly, the business should have at least 5 years to maintain. Assist him to decide which plan will be the better plan for his business. For the plan A, the amount of loan is the same with plan B, which is Rm 18,000, while interest rate for plan A is 6.7% compounded monthly, but the plan B compounded 5.6% monthly. And for the loan period, both of them got 15 years and 20 years. Next, we move to the answer. First, we list the information that is given. As we can see, we use this formula, which is A equal to R, bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus I, bracket negative N, bracket over I. Then, we put all the information that is given into the formula. Then, we get the answer R equal to 705.71. Then, we find the interest using formula I equal to NR minus A. And then we get the answer 47027.80. Then, we move to the answer for plan B. First, we list the information that is given. For the formula, we use the same formula as the plan A to find R. Then, we put all the information that is given into the formula. Then we get the answer for R, which is 554.84. For the interest, we use formula I equal to NR minus A. Then we put the information into the formula, which is 214 times 554.84 minus 18,000. And we get the answer for interest for plan B is 53161.60.
Next, after 10 years of business, he intends to settle his loan since he made a big profit. What will be the amount paid to settle the outstanding loan? Okay, for the answer for plan A, we use the formula that we use for the slide before. Okay, we use the outstanding for formula, which is A equal R, bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus I, bracket negative N, closing bracket, over I. Okay, for the answer, A equal 705.71, bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus 0.067 over 12, bracket negative 60, closing bracket, over 0.067 over 12. Okay, 35895.80. Next, for answer for plan B, we use the same formula for A equal R, we replace with 554.84, bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus 0.056 over 12, bracket negative 120, closing bracket, over 0.056 over 12. And the answer is 50892.27. Next, the conclusion is we choose plan B because the monthly payment is more affordable and reasonable and lower than plan A, which is Rm 554.84. Other than that, the interest for plan B is much lower than plan A, despite the plan B has more years than plan A. The outstanding loan for plan B after 10 years is Rm 50892.27. Next, for question 2. The hardware crew intends to purchase 100 laptops from the manufacturer to start his business. They receive an invoice from Desktop Magic and Rapid Computing and need to choose which company gives a better price. The detail of the invoice are as follows. This is the column, the information given.
In order to make a decision, assist the hardware crew to understand the meaning of trade discount and cash discount. Then, help them to choose a manufacturer who gave a better price if the payment is made on 25 January 2023. Hence, describe the benefits of trade discounts and cash discount to the supplier. Trade discount. A trade discount is the amount by which a manufacturer reduces the retail price of a product when it sells to a reseller rather than to the end customer. The reseller then charges the full retail price to its customer in order to earn a profit on the difference between the amount by which the manufacturer sold the product to it and the price at which it then sells the product to the final customer. Cash discount. Cash discount refers to an incentive that a seller offers to a buyer in return for paying a bill before the scheduled due date. In a cash discount, the seller will usually reduce the amount that the buyer owes by either a small percentage or a set dollar amount. Answer for the Desktop Magic is, as we can see, we put the information first and then we calculate the date using the exact time to get the days. As we can see, we calculate from 20 December 2022 until 25 January 2023 equals to 36 days. After that, we do the calculation, but before that, we collect all the information first. And then we do the calculation using the formula. NP equals to LP bracket 1 minus D1 bracket 1 minus D2 bracket 1 minus D3 bracket equals to 4200 times 100 bracket 1 minus 0.2 bracket 1 minus 0.05 bracket 1 minus 0.07 bracket plus 200 equals to 297056.
For rapid computing, we use exact time from 20 December 2022 to 25 January 2023. So, the total days earned is 36 days. Then, we list the information given. Next, for cash discount, we use 550. So, the formula is NP equal LP times 1 minus D1 times 1 minus D2 times 1 minus D3. So the answer 3985 times 100 times 1 minus 0.15 times 1 minus 0.08 and then 1 minus 0.05 plus 200. So the final answer is 296,245.65. So the conclusion is we choose rapid computing because rapid computing gives a better price than Desktop Magic, which is 296,245.65 ringgit. Apart from that, rapid computing also gives better deals than Desktop Magic and also more affordable and reasonable. Next, benefit of trade discount: increase sales, improve your reputation, lower business costs, increase your purchasing power, and managing excess stock with trade discounts. The last one, benefit of cash discount. First, reduce fees for merchants. The most obvious benefit for retailers is the ability to reduce or eliminate credit cards usage fees. With a cash discount program in place, merchants are able to reduce fees that cut into their profit margins and consumers avoid credit interest fees on small purchases. Next, simple for merchants and customers to understand. Since all items in the store are priced with built-in service fee that is deducted if consumers pay with cash, a cash discount program is easy for customers to understand. Lastly, merchants retain more profit. Merchants are able to retain more profit by reducing processing fees and with less customers using cards. They are also able to reduce credit card charge-offs. That's all from our group. Thanks for watching.